Hello everyone, I hope you are well. My name is Burak. I am an investment and immigration advisor for foreigners in Turkey. In today's episode, I'm going to give you information about how to apply for a property residence permit in Turkey. Turkey offers property residence permit program for foreign investors who purchase property in Turkey. In big cities, the property amount should be minimum $75,000, and in small cities, it can be the minimum value $50,000. If a foreigner purchases a residential property with those minimum limits, the government offers them 2 years residence permit. And that residence permit can be renewed as long as the foreigner keeps the property. First of all, I will give you brief information about how to purchase a property in Turkey. I have a dedicated video for this topic and you can also watch this. In this section, I will just give you brief information. First of all, you need to search the market in Turkey and you should identify the neighborhoods where you want to purchase your property. Secondly, we would advise our clients to get tax number, which is required to purchase the property and to pay the title deed taxes. Also, I have a dedicated video for how to get tax number in Turkey. Third of all, we advise our clients to open a bank account in Turkey to facilitate the payment. Also, before purchasing the property, we advise our clients to work with reputable real estate agents or immigration lawyers to better understand the procedures and to minimize the risks while purchasing the property. So, after you identify where you want to buy and after you complete the necessary steps such as opening bank account and getting tax documents, then you can engage with the seller of the property. Before purchasing the property, you can make an authorized purchase agreement, and that agreement states that after the foreigner makes the payment, the seller of the property is obliged to sell the property. Also note that when there is a foreigner who wants to purchase a property, you need to get the valuation report of the property, and the title deed amount of the property should be more than that valuation. Also, the valuation is very important because to be eligible for real estate residence permit, the amount should be more than $50,000 in small cities, and it should be more than $75,000 in big cities such as Istanbul, Ankara, Bursa, and Izmir. After you choose the property, you can send the payment from your bank to the bank of the seller. The amount needs to be paid in Turkish Lira, and also you should get the foreign exchange document from your bank. And after the payment is done, you can go to the title deed office and both the seller and the buyer can sign and you can receive the ownership of the property, which is called tapu in Turkey. Once you have completed your property investment and after you got your title deed, then follow these steps to apply for the property residence permit. First of all, you need to visit the immigration website, which is eikamet.gov.tr, and you need to fill in the online application form and take an appointment. And after you take the appointment, you need to prepare your files. The documents that are required for the real estate residence permit are these documents. First of all, you need to have the copy of your residence permit application form. Secondly, you need to have your actual passport when you go to the appointment. Also, you will need the copy of your passport ID page, the copy of your visa, and also the copy of your last entry stamp in Turkey. If you don't have a visa, then you need to get visa tax document, and you need to go to the tax office and pay the visa tax, and you need to show the tax receipt. Also, you need to show the payment receipt of the residence permit tax and the payment receipt for the residence permit card fee. After that, you need to show a proof of health insurance coverage in Turkey. You can get a private health insurance for that. Also, you should show your title deed copy, and you need to take a special document called the numarataj document from the municipality where your property is located. So you need to go to the municipality and you need to ask for numarataj document. Usually for that document in the municipalities, they ask for your title deed and they ask for your passport, and they give that document in 1 or 2 days. Finally, when you apply for the residence permit, you need to show your valuation report, which shows that the property investment amount and the property valuation is more than the minimum limit. As a final reminder, in big cities that limit is $75,000 and in small cities it's $50,000. After you have all these documents, you can go to the appointment and you can submit these documents. And after the submission, you will wait for several weeks until your evaluation is completed and your residence permit card will be posted to your address. There are some important considerations that you need to keep in your mind about the property residence permit. First of all, the initial and the first application for the property residence permit is given for 2 years. As long as you keep the property, you can renew it. Secondly, the foreigner needs to be the full owner of the property. There can't be a Turkish co-owner, or there can't be any other shareholder that is not a part of the family of that foreigner. Thirdly, if the name of the spouse and the dependent children of the foreigner are written on the title deed, and if they have even small shares, they are also eligible for the property residence permit. If their name are not written on the property residence permit, they can apply for the touristic residence permit. Finally, if the foreigner sells the property, then the property residence permit might be cancelled in the future. By following these steps, you can successfully obtain a property residence permit. Please be sure that you carefully prepare all the documents and you go to the appointment in time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can always contact me, and you can comment your questions in the comment section of this video. Also, I would appreciate a lot if you can subscribe to my channel to be informed about the residence permit procedures and investment opportunities in Turkey. I wish you a great time to you and your family in Turkey.